Good morning, everyone. I'm Liu Enze.
I'm Wang Han.
We are from Shanghai, China. It's a great honor to stand here and share our ideas and projects with you. While working on our project, my teammate and somebody not like in here brought up a question that many young STEM teams will face in 2026. Where do we use AI in our research? To be fully honest, here's our real experience. Our textbooks fail to explain the carbon to natural excon. We turned to AI for help. We used AI to correct our English grammar, since English is our second language. We even rely on AI to rehearse this presentation for today. However, there are many something AI could never take over. AI could not weigh our farm fish for us. AI could not write the microbit code to operate taxi. And AI will never get up early to stand by tech at 6 every morning to monitor our system. All of these tasks can only be finished with our own hands.
Every feeding and every on-site check give us a chance to learn, improving and make breakthroughs. Chinese AI doesn't chase fancy trends. It solves real problems. We are Aqua Smart Farming Team. Thank you all.